All right, YouTube, what's going on? I'm sharpening some Cruwear today on a pair of 3, and we're forming a burr, and it took about 20 passes. On the 200 grits, it's 16 degrees per side. It was a little bit more obtuse. I don't know if that's the right word. The angle was not 16 degrees from the factory, but it was pretty close. So I was kind of doing some reprofiling. 20 passes, though, is nothing. That's like easy. That's easy sharpening. So I've heard Cruwear sharpens easily, and it definitely does. So next thing is to see how easy it is to knock the burr off. All right, so we got the burr on both sides now. So we're just going to try to knock it off. I'm going to use some really light passes with the 200 grits, some trailing passes. Still a little bit, but that's pretty much gone. Still a little bit. I think that pretty much is gone on the left. On the right, we're just gonna do a couple more just for a good measure. Yeah, that was easy burr removal. I'm liking Cruwear already. It's easy to sharpen and easy to remove the burr. All right, really quick. I know the camera is all skitty, wampus, but I just repaired the edge from the edge damage it took from this edge stability test, and I only needed to use my 600 grit stones, and I just did about 20 trailing passes per side, and those are all gone. That's pretty remarkable, easy repair. So it's another thing to think of too when doing these kind of tests is how easy is that edge damage going to be repaired in sharpening, and it was that easy. I kept the angle the same and everything, and it's sharpened out. That's awesome. Maybe, I mean, I don't think it would have stropped out, but 600 grit diamond is coarse, but not, 200. It's not crazy coarse, so that's interesting to me that it was easy, that easy to repair.